Gonal-f is a medicine that contains the active substance follitropin alpha. It is available as a solution for injection in a pre-filled pen and as a powder and solvent that are made up into a solution for injection. Gonal-f is used to treat the following groups. Adult women, aged 18 years or over, who do not produce eggs and do not respond to treatment with clomiphene citrate, another medicine that stimulates the ovaries to produce eggs. Adult women who are undergoing assisted reproductive techniques, fertility treatment, such as in vitro fertilization. Gonal-f is given to stimulate the ovaries to produce more than one egg at a time. Adult women with severe deficiency, very low levels, of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Gonal-f is given together with a medicine containing LH to stimulate the eggs to mature in the ovaries. Adult men who have hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism, a rare hormone deficiency disease. Gonal-f is used together with human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, to stimulate sperm production. The medicine can only be obtained with a prescription. It belongs to the sex hormones and modulators of the genital system. The marketing authorization holder of this medicine is Merck Europe BV. Treatment with gonal-f should be carried out by a doctor who has experience in the treatment of fertility problems. Gonal-f is given by injection under the skin once a day. If the powder is being used, it should be mixed with the solvent provided just before use. The dose of gonal-f and how often it is given depend on why it is being used and on the patient's response to treatment. After the first injection, the patient or their partner may give the injections themselves, if they are well motivated, have been trained and have access to expert advice. For more information, see the package leaflet. The active substance in gonal-f, follitropin alpha, is a copy of the natural hormone FSH. In the body, FSH controls reproductive function. In women, it stimulates the production of eggs, and in men, it stimulates the production of sperm in the testicles. Previously, the FSH used in medicines was extracted from urine. The follitropin alpha in gonal-f is produced by a method known as recombinant DNA technology. It is made by a cell that has received a gene, DNA, which makes it able to produce human FSH. That's all information we collected. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for HeInfo channel.